Welcome. In this video we're going to learn about the logical OR operator. This is used for making decisions. So crank up Visual Studio Community, make a project as usual, and you can delete all the code. Let's just start from a blank slate. So we're going to type logical OR for making decisions. Alright, so we're going to say here using system, and that's all we need. We don't even need a namespace. You can just say now as program, open close curly braces, then static void main. This is the entry point into the program. You don't even need the args and the string args here between them, okay? That's only if you're accepting input. We're not doing that, so we don't need that. Alright, next, we're going to prompt for input. So prompt for input, we're going to say here console.writeLine and say payment method. So C equals credit card or CH for check, like this. Okay, we'll read that input first. Okay, prompt for input again. We'll read that first. You can say string s here equals console.readLine. Okay, so prompt for input again. This time say for a number of years somebody has been a customer, and then we'll make a decision based on payment method and the years somebody has been a customer. So prompt for input again. And here you can type CW tab and that completes it for you, okay, as a shortcut. Okay, so here you can say how many years a customer. Read that in. So read that in. And then put into program next. So now you'll say integer p. I guess it doesn't really matter what letter we use, of course. And then we'll say here int.parse to convert to numerical form. And here we're going to say string s. So we will say console.readLine. Now we've read this in, so we're going to make a decision that looks like this. You can say if s here equals cc, so if it's a credit card, or this is the OR operator right here, this one, okay, or p here says greater than or equal to 5, we'll apply a discount. Okay, so if somebody, what this is saying essentially logically is if you're paying by credit card or you've been loyal as a customer, essentially say 5 years, okay, or of course both, then apply a discount like this. That's the reason for having this, okay? So here we'll print a simple message, console.writeLine, and you qualify for a 25% discount on your bill, something like that, okay? Else it might say something like CW tab. That completes the line for you. That's a snippet, a shortcut. Console.writeLine, and then we can say something like you must pay full price, period, double quote to close. That's it. Okay? So perhaps here let's take this comment and place it in the body here so that we know to which block it corresponds more clearly. Like that. Okay, that's the logic. Alright. So let me delete my reference code. It's not cluttering the workspace here. Alright, looks like this. Give it a build, make sure it takes. There it goes. Okay. Let's give it a go here. Visual Studio can be a little slow at times and behave just a little unpredictably. Alright, I don't need that. Debug and start without debugging. There you go. Payment methods, so enter CC. Number, how many years a customer, say 7, and it says you qualify for a discount, then you build. That's it. Alright. And you can try other cases with the obvious values. For example, start without debugging. Let's do CH, and let's do 8. And it says you qualify for a 25% discount on your bill because you've been a loyal customer, okay, not because you're paying by check, and so on. That's the logic here. If you step through this with the debugger, The execution is fairly mechanical and straightforward. And you just collect information from the user. How many years? Say 3. Now look very carefully here, right? If I step into this, so S is CC, that's okay, but P is 3. However, because for this to work, one has to be true or the other or both, it still executes that block. You see, and then pops out of it. That's it. There you go. So that is it for this one. Thanks very much.